Fine. Ready? Right? This is our science class? Yes. Fine. We started maths with a thought, when in Rome, do as Romans do. Then something like she mentioned that starts with some science quote, right? And trust me honestly, I don't have any such science quote which is related to our topic. Then I saw there and I found something interesting. All power lies within you and you can do anything and everything. But it was a misconception, right? I take this thought in a very different way. I thought I have all the power, I can do anything and I tried one thing. I asked Ankit Bhaiya to stand there and I tried him to push and to pull. I did it for half an hour. Trust me, पूरा पसीने से भीग गया मैं और अंकित भैया is like this. I tried in a different way. I asked Ankit Bhaiya to sit on his bike and then I asked him कि अभी बैठे रहो, अब मैं बाइक के साथ ही खींच के दिखाता हूँ आपको, right? Ankit Bhaiya said do one thing, right? The bike is there, पल्सर वाली बाइक, it's very heavy, right? उन्होंने बोला तू मेरे को छोड़, इसको स्टैंड से उतार के दिखा. Trust me, I tried it for 15 minutes. Big failure, right? गाड़ी स्टैंड से हटी ही नहीं, right?
मैं उसको उठा भी देता हूँ.
See, so you guys are brave enough, right? It's fun there, right? But something science का reason was there, right? Something science का reason was there. What was that reason then, right? I started thinking about inertia, right? I started thinking about inertia. Is it because of inertia? And if it is because of inertia, why I am not able to move this car? Why I am not able to move this car for a longer time just after one push, right? What exactly happened is, जब मैं इसे push कर रहा हूँ ये जा रही है फिर रुक जा रही है, right? When I was a child, मेरे को तो लगता था कि इसके अंदर कुछ गड़बड़ है, right? काफ़ी बार दुकानदार से झगड़ा कर लिया मैंने. Suddenly, some 2 months back, right? यहाँ पे rainy season वगैरह बहुत चल रहा था, बारिश वगैरह हो रही थी, and some good, honest, very responsible Indian उसने सड़क पे केले का छिलका फेंक दिया था, right? मैं नहीं गिरा. I'm very like aware people. मैं देखते हुए चलता हूँ, रोड पे कुछ गिरा तो नहीं है, right? Suddenly अंकित भैया बगल में चल रहे थे, right? Unfortunately उनका पैर पड़ा और वो पैर ऐसे पीछे की तरफ गया, राइट? और वो हाथ के बल ऐसे गिरे, राइट? इतना भारी शरीर, धरती माता को काफी नुकसान हुआ. He is still fine. He is still fine. You can definitely go and tell him, right? The thing what I found very interesting is friction, right? Everything is in our favor, and this is the one force which is in against, right? Which is not in our favor. But still we need this, right? Yesterday I was telling you about why we need this friction, right?
Friction is a evil, necessary evil.
Exactly. We cannot live without friction. You cannot write without friction. You cannot walk without friction. You cannot shake hands without friction. You cannot hug each other without friction. Even you cannot ride bicycle without friction. Can someone please define what is friction? Sandhya?
Friction is a force that opposes the motion of the body.
She is saying friction is a force which opposes the motion of a body. The way she defines friction was correct. Friction is a force which opposes the motion of body. If a car is going in this direction, Rahul, friction किधर आएगा? This direction, right? Directly opposite to it. Fine. If this is our force, this will be the frictional force, right? It means friction is our enemy. Friction is our
necessary.
It is a necessary evil, right? Because I already told you, you will not able to write anything, and see, you all are happy. फिर कोई टीचर बोलेगा ही नहीं लिखने को. Now, a big question here is, right? If everything is going well in friction, if everything is, we need friction, right? And what exactly happened here? If you remember my yesterday's class, I told you something about friction. What affects friction? Can someone tell?
That is smoothing.
This is a smoothie, that's why it's a less friction here. Awesome. So friction depends on the surface. If it is very smooth, very less friction. If it is totally smooth, zero friction. If it is rough, lots of friction. As a whole class, we are going to imagine a world without friction on this very beautiful board, right? For now, just imagine this is a world without friction, right? A world without friction, Harshal, how will it look like? He's saying it's a dirty. Why?
Because someone take a bucket with the garbage and he's throwing that, but he's doing like on how
It's a good point. So according to you, it's very dirty world, right?
dirty.
Dirty is there on the board.
Easy.
Easy. Everything will be very easy in this case. For now, I have again a very interesting video through which we can actually realize कि surface friction पे कैसे affect करता है, right?
What is friction? Friction is the reason we are not constantly slipping and sliding on floors, roads and everywhere.
Fine. So yesterday we started friction. What is friction and how can we calculate friction? How normal force, gravitational force, everything affects friction. Today we understand in a much better way, what are the various things which affect friction. And we also imagined a world without friction. But here we are not going to stop with this topic. We need one more lesson to understand what are the various ways we can minimize this friction. For you, a very small and very challenging work is you have to write 300 words about a world without friction, right? Be genuine, be honest. Don't write so much fiction over there, right? It's a non-fictional topic. Use your logical, scientific skills there. Write down everything. Write your imagination about a world without friction.